Hi, this is Perry with the Hampton Network, back again with another short video. And today I want to, talk with everyone about, an online business challenge. In the month of February and March, I actually went through this challenge back to back, and I have to say it's an absolutely wonderful challenge. It's quite detailed. It's going to be a lot of work, but I kind of wanted to share this with you guys just to show one of the many, many ways you can, earn a passive income in 2020. So I'm Perry Hampton. For those of you that may be new to this channel, I'm with the Hampton Network, where we talk about online business, internet marketing, cryptocurrency, and personal finance and investing. So I want to jump right into this video. It won't be a very long video. Probably should be. I'm hoping to keep it less than 5 minutes. But if you stay to the end, I'm going to have a bonus for you guys who stay at the end. So once again, it's only a short video. So just let me jump right into it. So this is the One Funnel Away Challenge, and the title is obviously One Funnel Away Challenge 2020, How to Make a Passive Income in 2020. And so some of you may ask, what is the One Funnel Away Challenge? So basically, the theme of the challenge is, what would you do if you lost everything in your business and you had to start all over? So that's the theme of this challenge. And during these 30 days, I mean, it's jam-packed with information regarding business. It's a lot of information. Hopefully, if you guys go through this one time, you won't have to go through it like I did twice. But I wanted to. I learned so much in the first time going through it. I wanted to make sure I didn't miss anything, so I signed right back up and went through it again. Okay? So once again, it's a 30-day business challenge. It's packed with information on how you can start or grow your business. So the challenge is for both beginners and current business owners. Whether you're new or you advanced or experienced, it does not matter. You're gonna learn a lot with this challenge. So basically, you're gonna have daily missions to complete. Once again, you're gonna have to put in a lot of effort, but I can guarantee you it's certainly well worth it. And finally, the goal of this challenge is to have you start your very own business in 30 days. And I can say this is possible. I mean, I've been in business longer than that, but I just found out about this challenge a few months ago, and I wanted to go through it, and I finally went through it as I found some time, but it definitely will take some time, and I would actually recommend that you roughly set aside about, 2 hours per day just to complete the task that you're going to have as part of this challenge. So when you join, what do you get as part of the challenge? When you join, they're going to ship you a kit that includes a 550-page 30 days book. You're going to get a One Funnel Away Challenge workbook. You're going to get an MP3 player that's preloaded with funnel training and much more. So the question that I'm sure you probably asked at the beginning of the video, you wanted to ask rather, was, okay, how much does this challenge cost with all this information? Basically, the challenge is only going to cost you $100, period. So I'll have to say this though, this is a very, very low price point, but for what you're getting for 30 days is just completely outstanding. The value of everything you're getting, including everything, the MP3 player, the funnel training, live coaching, and you do get access to live coaches during this challenge. Okay? You also get access to 30 days interviews, where these multimillionaires actually tell you if they lost everything, what would they do to start all over? You'll also be able to download their own 30-day plan on exactly what they did. Now, these interviews alone are well worth the $100 or more. Actually, I think the first day of training that I went through was well worth the $100. This is just the first day. But everything that you're getting is worth over $3,000. I would say it's worth much, much more than that. But I joined because I wanted to see exactly how how effective this challenge was, and I also wanted to get access to those 30-day interviews. So that's one of the many reasons why I joined. It's actually been extremely successful for me, and it continues to be successful. So when does the challenge start? It starts every 2 weeks. You can click on the link below in the description for further details. But they start every 2 weeks, and the next one starts, I think it starts tomorrow, which will be June 1st. So no worries if you don't watch this video till a later date. The challenges start every 2 weeks. Okay? Now, let me talk about my bonus. I mentioned at the outset that I was going to have a bonus if you stay to the end. So if you join this challenge and visit my website, And here's the link on screen, hamptonnetwork.com/contact. Fill out that contact form with your payment receipt details after you're doing your challenge. Once you do that, I'll enroll you in a free course. It's a completely free course on advanced funnel training. This training is not currently available to anyone at this point. I'm actually finishing it up, but I can guarantee you when it does become available to the public, there will be a cost. But I want to give to you guys completely free just for joining this training. I know you're going to thank me for it. So what I'm going to do real quick, I just got some screen prints of the OFA Challenge back office and my bonus course here on the screen. But what I want to do is just take you over, kind of show you the back office here of the challenge. So once you join, you're going to get access to this back office. As you can see, for all these 30 days here, it is packed, and these are in weeks. So you get all this information here. And also when you scroll down here, here are those millionaires that you're going to get the access to for those interviews and the 30-day plans. So this challenge is absolutely amazing. And, you know, like I said, I went through it twice, but I hope when you guys go through it, you only have to do it once, but it's well worth it. I mean, I would even go through it again if I had to. But once again, I want to share, this is the course I was telling you about. So a lot of information in this course. It's an extremely well-detailed course. And once again, you're going to get access to this course completely free. So I hope that you'll join the link. So I want you to click, I hope you'll join the challenge, rather. I certainly, you know, I want you to go ahead and click that link below. Just click the link below and join. And I certainly look forward to seeing you guys on the inside. So you guys have a wonderful day.